your channel. So from the thumbnail, you already know what is the topic of today's episode. So today we are going for the Warner Brothers Harry Potter tour. Finally, like after years and years and years and years.
Yeah, it's so many years.
So currently we are waiting for the bus which will take us from here in London to the Warner Brothers studio. So that's like a 1 hour ride, I think. So this is the rendezvous point, and so people who are waiting for the bus too, they thought that we are actually from the Warner Brothers studio because we are so dressed up for the school. They came and they are like, okay, so when will the bus go? I'm like, same question. So that's good actually. So that means we are already blending with the school's uniform, and we are very excited for today's episode. Hope you will enjoy too. And if you're not a Potter fan, still I believe you will enjoy this magical express. So ride with us. Harry Potter.
Did you book with her?
Yes,
2 adults.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So they checked the ID proof and the ticket. That's all you need.
Any ID proof would work. So we didn't bring our passports with us, but we had our Ontario driving license, and that was fine.
So let's go to Hogwarts. So the bus started exactly at 10 o'clock. And it will take around 1 hour. So for this Harry Potter experience, including with transport from your city to Warner Brothers, is little far, 1 hour far from the city center. So this whole experience, including the transfers, it costed us $288 Canadian for 2 of us.
A bit expensive.
Tad expensive. The drive towards Warner Brothers Studios, very scenic. So this is not the official tour. We actually booked through headout.com because the official page was sold out. But in the Headout, they are the third parties for this one. They're reselling those tickets.
On the Warner Bros. Website page, if you have to book the ticket directly, the timeline is minimum 2 to 3 months prior, because otherwise it just gets sold out like this. Like for the upcoming 3-4 months, there are no tickets. But when you check for other websites, you will get more tickets in third-party apps and websites. So Headout is one of, like, it's not sponsored, but it's one of the legitimate sites. We got it from there. The price is same, and on top of it, it just includes the transfer, so that's why it's a bit pricey. Otherwise, it's the same price as the WB actual tour.
At exactly 3:30 we have to be here because 3:45 this bus will leave.
Yes, at 3:30 here.
At 3:30 same bus.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
Just take a photo of the bus.
So we got our tickets for the Harry Potter. It's cold. It's really cold. Have you seen this wizard? So this is the Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour, London. It's London, baby. The making of Harry Potter. Please have your ticket ready for scanning. Hi.
There, my darling. Perfect.
Thank you so much. So here also they have airport-like security.
Basic fruits and all are also allowed, but they will just check your bag and scan you, and you can opt for a digital guide as well, which will like £5 per person. Or if you're like us, I don't think you need it. And let's go.
Let's start the journey. This is magical.
Hello again everybody, my name is Emily and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you here touring Hogwarts in the snow. Now, silly question, but who here is a fan of Harry Potter?
Whee!
Excellent. Welcome to Hogwarts.
Oh.
This is the Great Hall. It's one of the first sets ever constructed for the films.
All original props. Super. We are so excited.
They're getting goosebumps. I'm like, I can cry any moment. That is the
And
situation
it
right
hasn't
now.
started yet. We just had 2 films, which is copyright, so we didn't film there.
Yeah, so in 2 rooms, they have showed us some marvelous things, and
You only can see when you come here.
yeah, just come here yourself. Like,
This is Gryffindor's dormitory. Common row of Slytherin. And that's Draco Malfoy. So this is the Harry Potter passport. And you can stamp. This is common room for Gryffindor. Oh, this is the memory. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. So this is the potion class. This is Nimbus 2000,
Look at it! The new Nimbus 2000!
the fastest broom.
It's the fastest model yet.
So they have this Quidditch photo videos starting from 14 pounds. You can take in the green screen and get this developed there. So this one smashed this car, the Remus Lupin's trunk. And this is Moody's trunk. Inside, Moody. Nagini, the dancing rehearsal. Dolores Umbridge. Expecto Patronus. Now platform 9 3/4. This is the Christmas card section. We'll now draw our Christmas card.
we are now boarding the Hogwarts Express, which has been used in the film for 10 years.
can also take your pictures, videos, 40 pounds. So Harry Potter tours, we have to have butterbeer.
Currently we are halfway through the tour and we have already taken I think 70% of the time, and we have to rush to complete the next half an hour, next 2 hours.
Cheers. So if you buy a butterbeer here, the glass is free.
By the way, butterbeer is not beer, it doesn't contain any alcohol, so totally okay for kids to drink.
Yeah, because
Harry Potter was good, right?
and that's Harry's house. Privet Drive.
I want everything to be perfect.
Welcome to Greenhouse 3 second years. A mandrake firmly, you pull it sharply up out of the pot.
The digital Dobby. The original Dobby.
Master has given Dobby a shock.
All these goblin costumes and each and every costume used in this set of Harry Potter has been handmade, individually curated and customized for the characters.
It's so fascinating.
It's real life, like it's looking like they just can talk anything.
So this camera actually shows how big this one. Yes. Oh, okay, that's why. So that's why we are seeing this. Okay. That's actual bank. So you're actually inside the movie. This is a movie set. It's
Exactly are these things?
They're goblins, Harry.
now we are in Diagon Alley. This is just a model. Plastic snow.
Yeah,
outside
with this
screen?
castle, yeah. And they wouldn't put it outside in case of the weather, because it will literally destroy the castle. So to make it look like it was outside, they would put green screen around it, and then with CGI they could just put whatever background that they want to put in.
Oh, okay. So all the birds and all that is CGI.
Yep.
But the castle is this one.
Castle's that one.
Awesome.
It's water vapor with some torches underneath it, so
Oh, it's warm. Little
no,
warm.
it's just being illuminated by the torches. It's just steam that's being lit up.
So behind us is the original model of the Hogwarts school, which they use throughout the film series of Harry Potter. So this is the model, and they have used green screen and changed the weather or whatever they want to do as per the scene. But this is the actual model. So this is the Hogwarts we have been watching in all the movies from our childhood. That's the one. Now it's time for our final stamp of the Harry Potter passport.
They do have free shuttle bus to Watford Junction frequently. The next one is 2 minutes. So if you don't have any transport to the city, you can go till Watford Junction free.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video till this end, and
No words. So thank you so much for watching this video.
if you have watched till this end, I'm sure you are a Potterhead just like us, and if you're a muggle, you have become a Potterhead after watching this video. We need to rerun all the movies like right now, and we have a total another level of appreciation for the movies. I mean, after watching the visual effects, the real effects, the actual effort the entire team has given, it's worth it. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. And I hope you are enjoying our UK series, and if you have any questions regarding how to apply UK visa, there's a link coming up to check there, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this one with your friends and family and the wizards.
Also the muggles. And
Yes, they're very important.
and please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
Harry Potter. Follow their friends.
Elder Wand.